So we have the same list of numbers, and we are going to take a look at math operators smaller than. Pay attention. I'm going to connect my list to the first number, and as we did before, let us create a numeric slider from 0 to 10, and let's set it to 5. If you hover, you will look at what it says. True if A is less than B. So all this list is A. Is 2 less than 5? Let us see. Yes. 3? Yes. 4? Yes. 5 is false. Why is it false? Because what it says is if A is less. It doesn't say less or equal. It says less. And 5 is not less than 5, right? Now, 6 is greater than 5, so that one is also false. And we can take a look at the second output that says if A is less than or equal, it is set to true. This one is true. 3, true. 4 is less than 5, true. Those are very, very easy. How about 5 and 5? Is it less? No. But is it equal? Yes. If it is yes, it's set to true. And the last one, yes, that one is very easy. 5 is less than 6. So there you go. You get false. So there you find greater than, larger than, or smaller than. Those two will help you select more or less the numbers that you are looking for, and you get a pattern.